When we hear the brand Redmi, we kinda associate it with the budget brother of Xiaomi's lineup of phones and accessories, but ever since 2019, Redmi has become their very own sub-brand and they produce their own lineup from entry level to higher range of products.
No one can control that old time rock and roll, no ruling gravity, and hey, can I follow you back to your room, watching you bloom in the light of the moon? Can I follow you back to your arms, wash it all off in the river of your heart? There's a million different songs that I learned to sing, watching you bloom in the light of the moon. Your loneliness will never be lost on me, so reach out and love and don't be
And in collaboration with Xiaomi with their mystery box experience, today's earbuds that we're looking at, in my opinion, are nowhere near budget in specs, and I'm really impressed with what Redmi can pull off. So welcome to a review of the Redmi Buds 3 Pro.
be a stranger.
Hello, my name is Sean and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I do a lot of tech reviews as well as unboxing, and if that is something that interests you, do consider subscribing to this channel, leave a thumbs up on this video, as well as share this video to all your friends around. And with that said, let's get on with the review of the Redmi Buds 3 Pro. So these earbuds are sent over to me by Xiaomi in their mystery box experience, and today's earbuds honestly is one of the most polished budget earbuds I've held in my hands, and I'm personally really excited to review these earbuds. And they currently retail for about 280 Malaysia ringgit, which is about 70 US. Honestly, not super expensive for an ANC earbuds, but definitely swaying away from the budget perception that many have with Redmi products. So if you're interested in getting these earbuds, do check out my links in the description below, and it'll definitely help out the channel a lot. So the Buds 3 Pro is unlike any Redmi product I've known and comes actually pretty hefty and solid, and the case actually has some nice weight to it, giving it a super premium feel without it feeling too cheap. The finish of the case is also very nice, with a very nice smooth plastic, and they feel superb in the hands. And the color that I have here is the grey color, and they also have one in black. The front of the case is really simple. You get a button to check the battery percentage of the case. I guess white means you have battery and red means you're running low. And flipping it to the back, you see a nice Redmi branding there with a very nice font, very nice color choice, really nice and classy overall. And a testament to how Redmi is going up market is that they even frame the USB port with some chrome bits here, giving it a super premium look, and it's really been a while since I've seen such attention to details in a budget earbuds. And not only that, Redmi also throws in wireless charging with this case, so pop it onto any Qi certified wireless charger and it will slowly charge the earbuds up. Not the fastest, but it'll definitely get you there. The lid of this case is so damn smooth. Just look at how I flip it open. Flipping open with a powerful swish, just like the AirPods Pro, and once it's open, it sits in place firmly, and the hinge is just so perfectly weighted and super nice. You can just feel that this is absolute quality. I'm not saying this because Xiaomi sent me this, but this is a super nice hinge. And inside, you see the earbuds sitting nice and beautifully inside, and the earbuds have a really odd shape, where the touch sensor area wants to stay true to the original Buds shape, but the bottom part of the earbuds looks like it puts on some weight, but this is understandable because they put lots of technology inside these earbuds. So these earbuds are designed very elegantly with a nice shiny piece on the touch sensor surface, which adds a nice classy look to the earbuds. And flipping it to the top, you see one of the mics for the ANC, and it's finished in a nice grille, and the fonts for the R and L are also very futuristic. Honestly, if you don't know that these are Redmi, I would say that these look something out from Sony or JBL. It's really that good. So these earbuds also hides an in-ear sensor. I honestly don't know where it is, but probably somewhere underneath the plastic. But every time you remove it from your ears, it pauses and turns on ambient mode so you can hear your environment. In terms of their battery life, these earbuds are really just decent, and without ANC it gives you about 6 hours of battery life and 28 hours in total with the case. With ANC on, that number drops about half, meaning you get 3 hours of playback time and 14 hours in total with ANC. There's no quick charging feature here, so charging the earbuds up will take about 1.5 hours and 2 hours for the case. The Buds 3 Pro comes with pretty okay specs for 2021. You get a Bluetooth 5.2 chipset here, but nothing flagship from Qualcomm, and you're getting AAC and SBC support here. At least it's good news for iOS users. The earbuds also comes with only IPX4 water resistant, so you're getting sweat and water splash resistant, but definitely don't wash these earbuds or get them soaking wet under the rain. The earbuds do have seamless playback, meaning you can freely use either side, left or right, and it will still play back. But because of that in-ear sensor, music does pause when you remove them from your ears. These earbuds also come with 2-device multi-point. Really not many earbuds nowadays have multi-point connectivity, especially at this price point, and it supports multi-point. That's just awesome. I don't know how Xiaomi can fit all this technology inside here, and that's why these earbuds look a little bit bloated at their bottom. So okay, I'm properly impressed with the ANC on this, and when I put them on, I honestly cannot believe it performs so well. Remember, these earbuds were sent to me, but no money has exchanged hands, so I have zero obligation to say something good if it's not. So this one is really good, and Redmi advertised this to have 3 levels of ANC, depth, balance and light, where they can cancel out about 35 decibels, 25 decibels and 15 decibels respectively. I don't really know how to toggle those features, nor can I find an app that will do that. Anyways, I think out of the box you're stuck with depth, meaning maximum ANC, which is awesome. So the ANC on these earbuds totally blocks out most things: low humming noises, road noises, tire noises, constant noises, all of them gone. I think it could do a little bit better with high-pitched noises like the clacking of my mechanical keyboard. You can still mostly hear if you use blue switches, but like if I use my Gateron brown switches, it kinda gets drowned out. You can still make out what people are talking mostly, but if you have music playing loud enough, you probably drown them out as well. Transparency mode on these is okay, very natural, but not loud enough in my opinion. And if there's a way to get them to project louder, it would be very good. Overall, I would give the Redmi Buds 3 Pro around 8.5 out of 10 for ANC performance. And if you want to see other videos on some of these ANC earbuds, definitely click on the link above. So sound quality on these earbuds is very polished as well. Sounds like there's a lot of Xiaomi tuning in these earbuds, and it manages to project the entire spectrum nicely. So bass on these earbuds is very sufficient. It doesn't give you that crazy heavy bass tuning, but sufficiently good that your music doesn't sound flat. Vocals are pretty nice with this, and I wish it could be a little louder in terms of vocal performance, but overall it's still controlled very nicely when it's matched up against the high tones. Clarity on these are good as well, nothing overly brilliant, but good enough for most music to shine through nicely. And if you notice, there's a lot of okay and sufficient on these earbuds, and they're not your absolutely amazing high resolution sounding earbuds, but they are good for its price and what they are for. So this is a test to see if the Redmi Buds 3 Pro is a good earbuds for making phone calls. So this is me speaking in a relatively quiet environment, and this is the call quality that you can expect. So what I'm going to do now is to turn on a simulated background noise so you can hear a difference. So now there's a simulated background noise playing in the background. This is the call quality that you can expect from these earbuds. So what do you think of the call quality? Let me know in the comment section down below. Gaming on these earbuds is okay. It's really not the lowest latency out there, although it's marketed as 69 milliseconds. In the gaming world like PUBG, you can quite obviously see the delay. Videos and movies on these are great with no noticeable delay. So let's take a look at the latency performance of these earbuds. So controls on the Buds 3 Pro are very basic and allow you to control most things except for volume and assistant. To play or pause media or pick up phone calls, tap twice on either side of the earbuds and it will play or pause your media. So to skip tracks forward, and yes, that's the only way you can skip, meaning you cannot skip backwards on these earbuds, you can tap 3 times on either side of the earbuds and it will skip forward. So 3 times and skip forward. To toggle between the ANC and ambient mode, press and hold on either side of the earbuds and it will toggle you between the 2 different modes. And so that's all of the controls you get with the Buds 3 Pro. So these earbuds are honestly a little bit more expensive than the typical Redmi earbuds, but for very good reasons. With this build quality, the ANC performance, that pretty good audio quality, and even multi-point connectivity, this is really quite a bargain if you ask me. So that is it for this review. If you find this video helpful, smash that thumbs up button, share this video everywhere, and if you haven't yet subscribed, do consider subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.